Shut up, big, shut up, big. One of those days, I know that I was up like this. I didn't go out with a stream every day of my life. For those only these few days, like I just had to shake one or two things. With the worry, with people, with the guests, with my guests, they complain of. And if people come like this and they stream like this, like what did they call them? Like 20 people gave my live stream. Everywhere go they hot, people go they sweat. All these things now for them they try package, they try to even now like this my gen don't go sweat. Now Lista, I won't go by Lista. But I won't make her tell on everything and I go to tell on her. Shut up, big. I don't buy AC. I buy big AC. This one they say now 5 horsepower. The other one waiting there before they say now 2.5. I buy this one because my guests they only they complain say that they sweat. If some people don't come here like this now with the vibe they in our body. Everywhere go the hot now. Waiting in the fees. I beg. I don't want to hear complaints say everywhere is hot. I beg. I want to come in biggest streamer. Get when they complain say it's your biggest streamer. Wait, this is the hot. Shut see my life now like this. See my life now because of the streaming. Because of the streaming. This list now they tell me say na 10.350. I think. I go still show now all those things when they do. Everything when they do for my studio. Now they think that they joke. But I just carry them play. Now why they go TikTok? They show face for TikTok shots. If you want to see all these sockets, they don't do it today. They just do it today. See like this. What is up? They don't do it today. They fix that because of my waiting that they call them. Because of my streaming. And when they do my streaming, they go JJ. I beg. I know so I don't miss me. I beg. I don't want the Jesus Christ. Chat like this. I go explain. When they see this AC, this only one AC 9 day for this big parlor. Where guests go there, everybody go they sweat. I carry that AC where they die. I carry a cone down. Make waiting in the corner. Make guests do they sweat. Because na vibe. I want people na vibe. I know say so people go they doubt me say na lie. Say no me say the AC don't say. Shout out, they see how they just they open now. Get the socket. I go bring the sockets. You dey craze. They say I don't carry there as they play. Shout, I swear to God with me now. I need to debit 10.3 million for just to buy Lista Gen. We go to feed the carry AC. We go to feed the carry the 2 AC because everywhere they hot for the full house before. Now like this, I didn't think, but I go debit time because when I don't show me love, when I go debit time, I will do it for you guys. I go do it.